Please may I come in, sir?
Come in, please.
Please follow up your opinion.
Opinion, sir. Have a seat. How does life go with you?
I'm white horse.
Okay, alright, thank you. Can we start our interview?
Yes, of course.
Could you please tell me a bit about yourself?
Well, my name is Muhammad from Somali. I'm aged 20. I'm father of 3 kids.
3 kids. Thank you very much. How would you describe yourself?
I'm patient, hardworking, and a quick learner. I enjoy working with multiple people and challenge.
Can you tell me about your educational background?
I graduated from Hilton Education Institute in 2016, computer science.
Why did you choose computer science?
Well, ever since I have been young, I have been interested in computer. Well, so when I joined Hilton Education Institute, I took career computer, which helped me in my future jobs.
Where have you studied your basic computer skills?
I took an afternoon computer science course at private school.
Thank you very much. See you again.